Hello, happy Friday. My name is Michael Leizerman here with the Trial Guides tip of the day this May 20th, 2022. Today's tip comes from Moe Levine on advocacy. He writes, "The most important element of damage is not what you take from a person, but what you leave them." And this makes a lot of sense. This is great wisdom from Moe. By the way, if you haven't read this book, get it and get Moe Levine on advocacy too as well. So I think of the example he gives, and maybe I'll get some of the details wrong, but it's a couple, and they're destitute, say homeless, and have really nothing in the world. And so the question is, if you look at it, what did the wrongdoer take from them? You could say there wasn't much to take. And what Mo Levine does is turn that around and says, what did they have in the world? All they had was each other. So the wrongdoer took the most important thing, took everything um, when they killed the other spouse. Uh, Bill Barton has a variation on this. I'll be curious to ask Bill. I'm sure he's been influenced by Mo Levine, uh, his book "Recovering for Psychological Injuries." And I know I just sound like a trial guide's uh, ad. They don't put me up to it. These books are great, and I'm very glad that they're out there. Mo Levine on advocacy wasn't available for a long time, I think decades, but Aaron Deshawn Trial Guides put it back out there in the world. So I'm certainly grateful for that. Bill Barton does something similar where he does a list everything that your client had, list what the wrongdoer took from them. So this is something very helpful, a helpful technique and a helpful way to think about your case. All right, this Friday, let's take a deep breath and be grateful to be alive. May we act in the world today and this weekend and every moment in a way that strengthens relationships, that helps reduce suffering in the world, that accomplishes justice. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice. This can take you into a prayer practice, or just remind you wake up, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it. Have a great weekend.